My name is Sinchan Chatterjee. I was a student with Lab Possible for 2 years and I was enrolled in the Zephyr program. I was studying in the Connaught Place Center. I got an AIR of 315 and I would be going to NLU Jodhpur. So the reason I wanted to pursue law as a career was basically because I was very keen on writing for magazines, especially political science magazines, and I also used to edit our school political science magazine. And from there, I realized that social sciences and humanities is something I'm very interested in, and studying law seemed like the most holistic approach to humanities, social sciences, and the law of our country in general. I came to know about CP from friends of friends and seniors. I knew this person who did end up going to a good law school, and when I spoke to them, they told me about Clad Possible and guided me through the whole process. And so through them, I found out about Clad Possible. Since I was I was in the 2-year program, I did not have to manage CLAT and school as such. I did cover a significant portion of understanding the concepts and what the pattern exactly is and what the exam demands of you in the first year, and then I could take it easy from there on in the second year, and I just gave mocks. So managing school was not a very difficult task to handle. So I think the most beneficial or the most important thing that the CP faculty does or did was that they are extremely personal in terms of teaching you. There are several classes of almost every topic, and they are just one text away. If you have to analyze a mock or have to ask a doubt, you can just send in an email or a text and they would respond almost immediately, which I think was one of the most important and the beneficial things. All of the faculty members are very good. I was initially in the beginning struggling with reasoning quite a bit, and the critical reasoning and the analytical reasoning faculty came into a lot of help eventually, because I was constantly asking doubts and I was sending them questions about what I did wrong in what mocks, and they responded very quickly. And the one thing that I remember is we had several reasoning classes of the same topic again and again, which reinstated and reinforced the concepts again and again, which was, I think, very beneficial at the end of the day. And with reasoning, I think the legal section also becomes very helpful because that also overlaps with reasoning. So I think the critical reasoning faculty did help me understand concepts of not just that section, but the other sections as well. So the only tip as such that I would want to give other students or those who want to pursue law in the future is that don't stress a lot. It's just an exam at the end of the day, and if you don't put a lot of pressure and stress upon yourself, you will most certainly do just fine. And since the CLAT pattern has changed and it is not a very analytical or rote learning based anymore, I would say keep on reading, and not just the material that is provided to you or the news articles that you get. You can read fiction or non-fiction or whatever it is that you want, but just keep on reading, because uh, reading is what you need to keep in touch with, and uh, so and the last thing I would want to say is don't take a lot of pressure about the mock scores. uh, Mock scores are just the beginning, it is not the end of your preparation. After giving a mock, that is where your preparation actually begins, so don't take a lot of pressure about that.